It was me.
I have a sworn statement from you that this man, Salvatore Maroni, is the new head of the Falcone crime family.
Maroni? He's a fall guy. I'm the brains of the organization.
Order.
Permission to treat the witness as hostile.
Granted.
Hostile? I see you hostile.
So I'm going to go out on a limb here and I'm going to guess that what you just saw there has never actually happened in a courtroom. The Dark Knight.
Sorry I'm late, folks.
Where were you?
Worried you'd have to step up?
Harvey, I know these briefs backwards.
Well then, fair's fair. Heads I'll take it, tailsy's all yours.
Let's stop right there. Never be late for court, whether you're an attorney, a juror, or a witness. It's a major no-no. And all it does is piss the judge off. And it also is a sign of disrespect. So here you have this scene, right? The whole courtroom is full. The jury's there, the judge is there, all the attorneys, except for one, and the witnesses are all there. They're all ready to go. And this guy just kind of strolls in late, makes it look almost cool by Hollywood standards, right? You never want to do that. It leaves a bad impression, leaves a bad taste in people's mouths. And I'm happy to say in my career, I haven't been late for court. And it's a major no-no. You don't want to do that.
Oh yeah? You want to flip a coin to see who leads?
It's my father's lucky coin. As I recall, it got me my first date with you.
I wouldn't leave something like that up to chance.
I don't. I make my own luck.
All rise. The Honorable Judge Friel presiding.
I thought the DA just played golf with the mayor, things like that.
Tee-off's 1:30. More than enough time to put you away for life, Sally. With Carmine Falcone and Arkham, someone must have stepped up to run the so-called family. Is that man in this courtroom today? Could you identify him for us, please?
You win, counselor. It was me.
I have a sworn statement from you that this man, Salvatore Maroni, is the new head of the Falcone crime family.
Maroni?
And what he's doing there is called impeaching a witness, right? So he has this prior statement where this witness has said the defendant is running the crime family, and now he's on the stand changing his story. And so he has a document, he has this sworn statement, we call those affidavits, and he's using that to impeach this new statement that he's making now, which is inconsistent, okay? And once a witness makes an inconsistent statement like that, you go right at him with impeachment, which is what the prosecutor's doing here, and let's see what happens next.
He's a fall guy. I'm the brains of the organization.
Order.
Permission to treat the witness as hostile.
Granted.
Hostile? I see you hostile.
So this is something you see a lot in TV and movies, treating a witness as hostile, right? And so when you're asking a judge to do that, it basically means that you're becoming adverse, to a witness that you thought was going to kind of support your case, right? And it allows you to kind of get aggressive with the questioning and that sort of thing. And of course, now this guy's pulling a gun. Let's see what happens with that.
Carbon fiber, 28 caliber, made in China. If you want to kill a public servant, Mr. Maroni, I recommend you buy American.
Get him out of here.
But Your Honor, I'm not done.
We'll never be able to link the gun to Maroni, so we won't be able to charge him. But the fact that they're trying to kill you means we're getting to them.
I'm glad you're so pleased, Rachel. I'm fine, by the way.
Come on, Harvey. You're Gotham's DA. You're not getting shot at. You're not doing your job right. But if you said you were rattled, we could take the rest of the day off.
Can't. I dragged the head of the major crimes unit down here.
Oh, Jim Gordon? He's a friend, actually. Try to be nice.
So I'm going to go out on a limb here and I'm going to guess that what you just saw there has never actually happened in a courtroom. Now, if someone probably tried to bring a gun into a courtroom, sure. Security's airtight these days. You're not going to get anything in there. But for a witness to have a gun on him while he's on the stand in basically a mafia, mobster type trial, pull that gun and try to kill a prosecutor and have the gun not go off is, well, let's face it, folks, that's Hollywood. You're not going to see that in a courtroom. What's also really interesting about that scene is you don't see any kind of security jumping it, right? You just see him disarm him and punch him in the face. Again, you're going to have a bailiff in a courtroom. They're going to be all over that guy. They're going to take him down. They're going to arrest him. They're going to take him away. But when Hollywood gets a hold of things, they like to create a lot of drama when it comes to legal films, and, not what you're going to see in a courtroom.